Now we have cleaned these sneakers, and if you can see carefully, there are still some scuff marks on the midsole. So we'll go ahead and do some customization work on this. What's up everyone, welcome once again to Smart Kicks, and this channel is all about shoes. Today's video is a bit different one than our regular review or unboxing videos. Today we are going to clean and restore these Air Jordan 1 Volt Gold. These are also very close to my heart. Apart from that, we'll be taking you through the whole dry cleaning process and then the color restoration process on the midsole of these sneakers, and then see how they turn up after the whole process at the end of the video. So stick around till the end of this video as I take you through the whole restoration process of these premium sneakers. I'll see you on the other side. So I'm using the softer brush on the upper of the shoe or for the upper leather, obviously because it's a delicate material. And then I'm using a hard brush for the outsole of the shoes, because generally the outsole is made of stronger material, more sturdy material, and it needs harder brush to remove the dust and dirt which is settled there for a long period of time. Guys, now we have cleaned these sneakers, and if you can see carefully, there are still some scuff marks on the midsole. So we'll go ahead and do some customization work on this. So we'll be using Angelus professional sneaker paints, and Varsha will be handling this from here on. Let's go. So guys, that's how we cleaned and restored Air Jordan 1 Volt Gold. I truly love the whole process because this is one of my favorite pair of sneakers. Also, if you want to know more about sneaker care tips and want to stay updated, should check out Instagram handle of Footstep. I'm sharing the link in the description below. Don't forget to share this video with your sneaker buddies also, and don't miss out on subscribing to this channel. This really means a lot to us. We are heading for 5,000 subscribers, so there are a lot of announcements related to giveaway coming up soon. So stay tuned to the channel. On this note, you guys stay fit and keep watching Smart Kicks.